Hey, welcome back to part 2 where I left off on. As I was saying, Amazon is the only online website that sells level free Screechers. They're not going to be sold in stores yet, but hopefully we will get them sold in stores. But yeah, they're only going to be on Amazon currently at this time and moment. And if we go along to the Alpha Toys website down here, they say that Amazon has free exclusive, only to Amazon, level 3 Screecher Wild vehicle cars. Yeah, so it's not even like, oh, if you want to get this special level 3, like let's say Rattle Cat, you know, you gotta go to Walmart. Or if you want to get, let's see, who else could I name off here? If you want to get like night vision, you gotta go Target. Nope, no Target, no Kmart, no Walmart exclusives, only Amazon. So if you don't have a credit card, you're out of luck. Yep, that's how they decided to play this game now. But yeah, anyway, let's take a look at V-WREX, which, you know what, I'm just gonna change the name. I know everyone's gonna be like, yeah, the name is V-WREX, man. V-WREX just sounds totally dumb and stupid considering that it's a tank and it's a T-Rex Tyrannosaurus Rex dinosaur. I'm just going to say, for the review and what I'm going to love to call this one, as my own personal renamed branding of this one, T-WREX. T-WREX sounds a whole heck lot better than V-WREX. At least in my case. It's a tank. Tank? What letter does tank start with? The letter T. Tyrannosaurus Rex, T-Rex. What letter does that start with? The letter T. T-WREX. Way better name than V-WREX. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and say what sounds a whole lot better. Don't know who on the Alpha team came up with the name. I was saying, yeah, let's call that one V-WREX. Because if I was on the Alpha team and research and development, board, I'll be like, V-WREX? No. We're calling that thing T-WREX. With a capital T to the WREX. You know? That just makes much more sense than, yeah, let's just call it V-WREX. Who agrees? Hands up? Okay, it's unanimous. Okay, stupid name. Yep, that's what this vehicle gets. If I was on it, I'll put my hand out and be like, nope! If they're like, okay, yay or nay on this name, I'll be like, nay! Like a horse, just neighing. If they're like, okay, what name would you say? T-WREX? I'll be like, yay! Or, I! You know? Because, yeah. I don't like the name. The name, like, keep on saying, it's dumb, it's stupid. So, for the review, I'm just going to call it, probably for the remainder of the review, what I like to call it, which makes a whole hell lot more sense, T-WREX. So yeah, you get T-WREX's little 3D hologram card here, which kind of shows you what it's going to look like when it transforms. And what I love about these, not only do they kind of show you what they're going to transform, on the back of each one it says their names. Like, obviously this one says V-WREX. But if you look at, like, this other one, it would say, like, Gatekeeper. So, yeah. Pretty cool there. Let's get the... Now, it says it comes with exclusive discs. And saying disc, not disc, which really only comes with one disc. And it's not even as exclusive. It's just like a common disc that they just keep on recycling over and over and over again. So there we go. Let me get my T-WREX out here. And then there is a little rubber band on V-WREX here. And it kind of auto transforms when you get the little rubber band off. So let me figure this thing out and see how the heck you put this back together. There we go. So yeah, let's take a look at our Screecher discs here. Here are 3 Screecher discs, a blue disc, a purple disc, and a red disc. So let me put that disc down to the side there and take a look at the difference. So this is a whiter disc just like the blue disc, but this red disc is what's called a awakened Screecher disc. It's more powerful Screecher disc. How can you tell the difference between a white Screecher disc and awakened Screecher disc? Well, awakened ones always have some type of little symbol down here, like this one. So since this one has a little symbol down on the bottom there, that's the awakened Screecher disc. The other 2 are not. Also, what I find that's odd and cool, if I could get these to hold my hand pretty good, each one has a little piece of rubber on the bottom that's kind of molded in their color, like purple for purple, red for red, blue for blue. On the back they're all the same, but on the front they're different designs. Until, you know, they keep on repeating, which is not a lot. There's only like 4 different. There's 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about 4 different Screecher disc colors. So yeah, what's a awakened Screecher disc? Well, they're kind of like element discs. So obviously this red one's going to be a fire one. The blue one, your theme would be a water, but actually it's like wind. Green is like grass. Purple, I have no idea. And the gold ones, or goldish orange type ones, yeah, I don't know what the heck those colors mean. But anyway, so awakened Screecher disc allows that certain Screecher to do a special move if it matches their disc. So let's say, for example, the blue Screecher disc matches which matches the blue Jayhawk. It allows Jayhawk to unleash a wind vortex tornado attack. And the purple one will match Steamshift, will allow Steamshift's special ability when it gets the purple awakened Screecher disc to transform. But since it's the awakened Screecher disc that's purple that matches Steamshift, which is purple, its special ability will allow anyone else on Steamshift's team to auto-transform without a Screecher disc. So yeah, Screecher disc has different things. So here's kind of what V-WREX looks like. It's a nice little translucent yellow tank. I actually did it and enjoyed this one quite a lot. It's a nice little tank. I love it. I love the little barrel on there. It looks really great. It's just a great little tank. How does it roll? Well, it's pretty good. Pretty good. If I was going to do a roll quality comparison, it rolls better than a Transformer, but probably about the same as a Hot Wheels car. So, how do these work? Oh, I almost forgot. Let's do a size comparison. Level 1 versus a Level 2 size comparison. Level 1s are going to be more shaped like a car, while Level 2 are going to be more bricky, blocky, square, and they're always going to be like a truck or a tank. So how does this one transform? Let me kind of bring some of this bit. And that's not supposed to happen, it's actually supposed to land like that, but it's pretty cool. And yeah, its tail kind of gets caught up like that, so you kind of have to manually take your finger and push it down. But it has a moving mouth, moving little arms. It actually looks one of the nicest Screecher cars in the Screecher lineup. And what's kind of cool is the barrel doubles as the T-Rex's tail, which is really awesome. And what's the difference between Level 1 and Level 2? Level 1 is kind of hit or miss. You really have to have a lot of skill to try to get them to, you know, transform. Because, see right there. But Level 2, they have these little, like, side arms. So Level 2 is kind of like a no-skill, newbie, beginner type of vehicle. They're bigger to hold and roll. They're easier to catch the Screecher disc and transform, while level 1s are a little bit harder to hold on to. And you have to have a lot of skill to make them roll to line up with the Screecher disc to make them transform. Then of course we get a little instruction booklet there. Let's try putting things back like that. And a little morph card. And like here on this, they kind of have, different little things. So Jayhawk level 1, Web Adapter level 1, Steam Shift level 1, Whalecat level 2, V-WREX level 2, Monkey Wines level 2, Gate Creeper level 2, Quad Shot level 2, Night Weaver level 1, Nightbite level 1, Sparkboard level 1, Spike Trap level 2, Smoky Litslide level 2 by Fans level 1, Pirate Sword level 2, Reborn level 2, Night Vision level 2, and then we have 2 accessories. Screecher Speed Launcher and Riverfire Disc Blaster. Yeah, and then on the back it kind of tells you, the little transformation sheet, which is pretty easy. Oh, almost forgot how to transform this guy. You flip this little piece back until it locks in place. Grab the arms, fold them back until they lie in place. Flip the head in, crush that up until it snaps, and there you go, back into its little vehicle mode. So yeah, like I said, this is everything that comes with it. Your Screecher, free Screecher disc.